I'm Simon Christie. This is my brand new Holden Colorado 7 and I've already started accessorising it. Now my first port of call for quality 4x4 accessories was ARB. Many of you might know that the head office of ARB is right here in Kilsyth, the eastern suburbs of Melbourne. But what you might not know is that there is a huge manufacturing plant right behind the head office here. And this bull bar was actually 100% made right here in Melbourne, Australia. So how about we take a factory tour and see what goes into making an ARB bull bar. This is where the build process of any ARB bull bar starts. We're within the engineering department, deep within head office right here in Melbourne. There are 30 engineers employed here in a rapidly growing team, and around a third of those are dedicated to the design and development of ARB bull bars. This is the main ARB manufacturing plant where bull bars and many other 4x4 accessories are made. This factory space alone covers a staggering 9,400 square metres of area. There are 300 people employed here and the plant runs 3 separate shifts. That gives us 24-hour operation, and each day it can produce 150 ARB bull bars. Every ARB bull bar starts its life as a piece of flat steel sheet and a piece of straight steel tube. Every single piece of raw material coming into this factory comes with a mill certificate, and all of the steel is checked by ARB staff against ARB's stringent specifications. In this factory there are 8 state-of-the-art computer-aided laser cutting machines. This machine here can cut steel as thick as 20 millimetres. It will cut at an average speed of 5.5 metres per minute, and each sheet of steel is maximised for cutting to minimise wastage. In this area of the factory, we've got 9 brake presses. Now they can press up to an amazing 130 tonnes, like this machine here. They're also capable of pressing extremely intricate components like this. It's also important to note at this point that first and last checks at every point ensure that ARB's stringent quality control is maintained throughout the whole production cycle. Computer automated mandrel bending machines ensure that wall deformation is minimised, every bend is accurate, and each and every piece of componentry finish is absolutely identical. This area of the factory is ARB's historical locker. There is a jig here for every ARB bull bar that has been designed. Now, jigs are used in the manufacturing of each bull bar. They are checked regularly for accuracy, and they are double checked with a Faro arm. Welding is one of the most critical stages of bull bar manufacturing. Now ARB employs in excess of 60 certified welders, and they are all tested every 6 months. These robot welders are amazing. ARB has 4 of these units. They can weld at 5 metres per minute, and they are used on critical components when accuracy and penetration are paramount. Before being powder coated, every single ARB bull bar is shot blasted. This ensures that the surface of the bar work is smooth, clean, but also etched to ensure maximum adhesion of the powder coating itself. Key to high quality powder coating is surface finish and pre-treatment. And every piece of ARB bar work goes through an involved 5-step process. After passing through the 5-step treatment process, all bar work goes through a rinsing and heating area where it's heated to 300 degrees in preparation for powder coating. Once through the powder coating area, it then passes into a further oven where the powder coat is baked on at 240 degrees. As bar work comes out of the cooling tunnel, the last step in the process before they're packaged is applying the ARB badge. It's a symbol of the utmost in quality control, the top level of 4x4 accessories worldwide. It's no secret that ARB has a manufacturing sister plant in Thailand. Now that plant is there based on shipping expenses to certain countries. But there are a couple of key issues that we need to note about the Australian manufacturing. First of all, manufacturing by ARB here in Melbourne is here to stay. And secondly, whilst the ARB manufacturing plant does service all of Australia, it also sends out bull bars every single year to over 100 countries worldwide. And that's something that all Australians should be proud of. The end result of all that effort, expertise and expense is, in my opinion, one of the world's best 4x4 accessories and the pinnacle of ARB's manufacturing, the ARB Bull Bar. I wouldn't trust my life or my vehicle to anything less. Well, what an impressive process they've got right here in Melbourne, Australia, the ARB head office and manufacturing. Now, if you'd like to learn more or you'd like your own factory tour, jump onto arb.com.au. There are factory tours run regularly and your club can even book one. I'm Simon Christie. Thanks for watching.